Hello everyone and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk and this is tip number 278, Advanced Security Settings. Microsoft recently introduced the Security Workspace to the Power Pages Design Studio, which includes some existing features moved from other workspaces, plus some new features. One of those new features is the new Advanced Settings page. When you go to the Advanced Settings page, which is currently in preview, there are a few tabs that you can click through, including Content Security Policy, Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, Cookie, Permission Policy, and others. Each tab presents a bunch of security settings that you can choose to configure. Make your edits, click Save, and then click Apply Changes. It's important to note that this is not new functionality for Power Pages. Configuration of these settings were, and still are, possible via site settings within the Power Pages Management app. In fact, changes made here will result in the appropriate site setting being created or modified. However, this new interface makes it easier to configure, reduces the chances of errors, and provides explanations as to what each setting means. This is a great advancement for democratizing these settings, with the goal of making Power Pages sites as secure as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 278 on advanced security settings useful.